So today we were doing a driveway and sidewalk cleaning. Overall, it's not horrible. It's not a lot of staining or oil stains or nothing like that. It's mainly just surface dirt. As you can see, I have to go back right here and hit this with a turbo jet. The color difference is drastic for sure. Right now I'm using a 18-inch DeWalt disc cleaner. If you're looking for something great price, very effective, that's the way to go right there. Also have the water broom as a backup. I like using this. I do an outline with the water broom to get my outline started. There's the sidewalk. As you can see, the driveway is filthy. It's just mainly all surface dirt, like I said. There's a little bit of the color difference. This half is already finished. About to start on this other half. Go all the way down to the road and then up the sidewalk to the stairway. The surface I pre-soak with Zep. Zep is an awesome pre-soak treatment for concrete driveways. Good price, very effective. I'm gonna get back started and I'm gonna sidewalk. As you can see, the sidewalk is pre-soaked as well. This is exactly what it's supposed to do. Studs up, pulls all the grime, dirt out of the ground, put a little bit of pressure on it, and get this baby clean. Sidewalks are really easy. There's really nothing to them. A lot of times sidewalks are just surface dirt. There's really no staining. Cars don't park on it. Mainly just foot traffic. So this should be pretty simple. Work my way all the way down. Come back with a fan tip and wash everything down to the driveway, and then start on that last portion of the driveway. I'll keep you guys updated. Little square of the driveway. As you can see, washed, unwashed. Huge difference. Sidewalk and the rest of the driveway has been completed. Sidewalk's already drying. Looks awesome. Like I said, at the end, I'm gonna go back and put all these little edges right here. All these little edges. And then a little bit around the driveway. I'm gonna hit that with a turbo jet. Once I do that, that'll be the finished product. Looking good, looking good. Okay, so the driveway is complete. Still wet. Sidewalk isn't wet. Sidewalk looks awesome now. It's in the direct sun, so it dried a lot faster, but the driveway will look like this once it dries up. You can see it's starting to dry in the first section that I finished. Second section will be drying a little bit. But overall, not too bad. Really clean. Got all the surface dirt off of it. Went back with the turbo jet and hit those corners I had mentioned. Everything looks awesome. Couple more hours and she'll be shiny.